Hi guys, today I will be teaching how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Yay! So here is the cube we're going to be solving. I scrambled it up already. So now let's do it! I'm going to teach you step by step using this booklet. So the first step it says is to make the white side. So usually you would like to make 3 and then find the last white piece. It's right here. And then the closest spot is here. And then so we can do this. And then we turn this here. So they're together now. And then we can finish the white side. And then the next step is to make a layer. And we already did that already. Like that. And then just solve the yellow side, like here. So it's like this. So now we have to do some algorithms. So it says we go like this. All right. So as you can see, there's one piece here. And then we can do this. And then now we solve the whole cube. So this is just going to be part 1, teaching you guys how to solve the cube. If you want to know how long I take, watch part 2. So since I skipped a step, I will scramble it again. Because I want to tell you the whole process. I actually skipped 2 steps because I already had the layer. So here we go. As I teach you, make the white side. Here at the white side. And then we have 2 of the same colors here. So then we have to do this algorithm. Turning this, as you can see. And then like this. So now we have a layer. If you do this and it doesn't work, maybe you have to do it again. Okay, the next step's yellow. And then we did it. Okay, it's basically the same algorithm. Okay, yellow side. And then we have the red side. So since it's not solved, we have to do another pair of algorithms. So I'm going to do it. As you can see, I'm turning like this. If you don't know how to solve the cube, I'm gonna dislike one of your videos. Tell me your channel. Here we go. That's another cube. So next, we're gonna time a cube. So next I'm gonna teach you in competitions what happens if you get like a 4-move scramble like this. If you follow my step, usually you would do like this, make the white side, and then you made a layer already, and then make the yellow side. And then make the yellow side, and then solve another side, and then do the last algorithm. And then solve the cube. But I challenge you, can you solve this cube in 4 moves? Probably you would say no, but you can actually do it. You see? Sometimes in competitions you will get a 4-move solve. And last thing before I end part 1 is this. Watch. I'm scrambling the cube, right? It actually gets solved. You see? Okay guys, that's all for part 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if we get 50 subscribers, I'll show you who films all my videos.